Today, I'll walk you through how to create links with sections and pages in Microsoft OneNote Online, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to link sections within your notebook so you can navigate your notes more efficiently. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote on your desktop. This is where all the magic happens. Think of OneNote as your digital notebook, where each section is like a chapter in a book. It helps keep your thoughts organized. Once you have your notebook open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your sections. These are the different areas where you can store related notes. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Now locate the section you want to link. Right-click on the section name, and you'll see an option that says Copy Link to Section. Click on that. This action is similar to copying a URL from a website. You're essentially grabbing a direct route to that section of your notes. Next, navigate to the page where you want to paste the section link. This could be a summary page or any other area where you want to reference that section. Once you're on the desired page, simply paste the link you copied. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the keyboard shortcut Control and V. After pasting, it's always a good idea to test the link. Click on it to ensure it takes you directly to the section you intended. This step is crucial as it confirms that your link is functioning correctly and will save you time in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully created a link to a section in Microsoft OneNote Online. This simple process can significantly enhance your note-taking experience, making it easier to navigate through your ideas and thoughts. If this helps you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.